Hadian baka University Grant Commission UGC lengba undersecretary katnat puli ka sarkar India Ugopal Kumar kalapan bana bakal pediang ye kejingkerpat nak sarkar Meghalaya lengba ka National Testing Agency batsha ki college ki ban penyeso bat ki Central University hakini ki jala ban penrung puli kumbajulia mensua klem dadon kam ye ka CUET mentau senam puli arjar saw arjar pusan nakaliang Myntri badai kami yakna puli ke jalau Rakkam Eksam ula pentep bak sarkar kala simkhia halor kani ke benta kenang bakat nomi isu kanu ke jingkulmar hakis nam ki banwan haba pentep yakani nakaliang Myntri ula ongru baki samla ki deban simkhia yakani ke examen hakis nam banwan namar katkum ke jingyo jingtep ki dan kumasan 4% ki samla puli ki baklam register banle yakani ke examen Nalor kata ulo ongru baka exam CUET kamde ke bakungsan nak benta ki samla ki bakwa ban apply college haki state university hendrei ka don kambahai ki bakwa puli haki college ki bapnyeso bat ki Central University ula pentip ru ba ya ka by exam ka ba ki samla ki lapandap mansio banle ya kani ka exam ka syong haka National Testing Agency ban sim ya karai.
We don't know. We will take up. We will raise this issue with the NTA also, but that is not in our to decide. Eksam now is for undergraduate. Yeah. Just now we had a meeting with the Meghalaya teachers MCTA. Just now we have discussed about this specifically about the challenges and the issues of the CUET, and they have informed us and they have praised the government that in near future, they have raised the concern about the fees. Even the fees, paying of fees, it's high, 800 rupees per paper. I've been told, and like the insufficient of the centers also. So all things we will communicate to the NTA from the state government onward, and NTA should also communicate state government properly in advance, in well time. So because this year they did not communicate to the state government well advance, and there was a miscommunication also. Therefore, and many in the country, be in the UP, in the Delhi, the CUET exam was postponed, rescheduled. All things happen across the country. Maybe there's maybe challenges. It happens. We have to understand. But however, in the days to come, we will communicate to the NTA that make sure our students should not suffer. Should be given enough infrastructure, enough center, enough requirement, enough awareness, enough coordination, enough proper communication. And we will also do the needful from our side to communicate all these problems to the NTA and to the ministry community.
As for the information of the state, how many students have appeared in the CUET undergraduate as well as postgraduate?
No, that exact number I don't have, but about it is more or less about 6,000 to 7,000 only have appeared.
Undergraduate.
So, yeah, many did not register it. So to my understanding, actually about 40 to 50% of our class 12 students did not register for the CUET exams in this year. So which is something that struck my mind. What happens? What maybe is lack of communication, lack of awareness. But I would advise my young students and the institution that as a students we should be always updated, know what is happening in the country, what is happening in the world, what is happening in the system, what is happening in today. So I would advise my young students to be always keep updated themselves with all the development happening.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakambha kajing im bakambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Rak Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya